up guys, Mike here. Today we've got a very nice tutorial for you. This will be how to do a masking transition the easiest and best looking possible way, along with some nice music in the background just to make it suit itself better. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is look at my start button and just be aroused by sexiness. If you guys want a tutorial on this, go ahead and like this video and comment saying you want it, and this will be a future tutorial for you guys because it's awesome. It looks great. But now we're going to jump into the tutorial, or however you want to go into the tutorial. You can hop or crawl. Oh, look at me, I'm so funny. Anyways, we're just going to import our two clips. Once again, I need more clips. Make sure they're my quality disabled resample. But you want to do the basic stuff, crop them, disable resample, uncheck the stuff. I really don't need to crop them because they're already cropped, because these clips were sent in to me. And this one, as you can see, guys, you guys see like this artifacting. That wasn't because of me. That's just the clip the way I got it. But anyways, what you're going to do is cut your clips to where you want. So I'm just going to cut mine to like right here. Awesome. Let's get a little fade in and a little fade in. Awesome. And now we want to cut our clips where we want it to stop. So my guy is going to personally, you can crop it really anywhere you need to, but I'm going to do it really fast. Like as soon as he turns this way, I want it cropped. And so there's no particles on this one, so I'm going to cut it here. Actually, I'm going to move one forward and then cut it. You see that? So this, if you didn't know, this marker here shows the next frame. So we want to save this frame. This is the frame I want to use. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to move forward one and cut it. And then with S, by the way, and then just delete this. And then click here and move back a frame, and you've got your frame you desired. Go to best full. And you can go ahead and click the save icon and save your icon wherever you want. So I'm just going to name it image 2. And now you can go to your Explorer, not your Explorer, your project media, and it should pop up here very fast. So here's my image 2. And you can just shorten it up. You don't need that long. You want it to zoom in relatively quickly. Now what you want to do is insert a video track. Drag that in between the clips. So you got your clips here, your audio here. And you want to drag your next clip under this. So here's my next clip. And I'm just going to drag it under it. And now what you want to do is click on your image, and the first frame of your image, click this little pan crop button, click on mask, zoom in, and you're going to want to mask out this area. Now I'm doing a very rough mask for the sake of time on this tutorial, but you guys can do it slightly better. That was actually very good for just a speedy mask. And you're going to want to put about a 1. I'm going to do a 0.5 because you want it to be sharp edged basically. And so now you've got it masked, right? And we're going to go and you're going to see this. And this doesn't make any sense at all. So what you want to do is go back into mask and make your mode negative. And that's just going to make the hole there that you see. Now what you want to do is click again on the first frame of this. Just make sure your frame is right here. And click on position. Just see how there's these two layers. Click on position. Oh, by the way, make sure mask is the first layer. See how mine's 2 different layers? It changes negative here. Make sure your negative is the first one. So this is, it doesn't matter if it's the first, by the way, guys, as long as it's the only one there is. So now we've got our universal let me see to show you real fast. We've got our universal little cut here. This is the video frame, actually video frame right here, and then it goes into the image. So now what you want to do is you want to go and click on position. Click on the first frame, that's fine, that's all good. And then click about I'd say 1 second in. You can go slightly faster. I'm going to do like 0.75. And you're going to want to just drag it in all the way over the area. See right here how it's going? And then you want to drag it in a little bit more. And like right in there. And then your image is gone. So if we watch that back now in best full, we're going to see the effect it gives you. Now you can alter the speed by just keyframing it so it's faster. So here's this.
UAV recon, ready for deployment.
So that looks pretty good, guys. And I apologize for not having my headphones in. So you could probably hear that, which is not a good thing at all. So I'm just going to turn this one down. Hopefully that'll help.
UAV recon, ready for deployment.
So, I mean, that looks good, guys. And obviously it's going to look a lot better with the color correction. I'm just going to apply my normal CC. You see this everywhere. There's a tutorial on this on my channel. And that's the color correction I'll be using. So I'm just going to apply that to all my clips. And we're going to take away the sound and add some music, and we'll see how it looks then. So to take away the sound, I'm just going to press U on every single clip, and that'll detether them from it. So there we go. And then you can just import any sound you really want, you desire. Sorry about that. I'm just going to go to libraries, music, and we'll choose an Eddie B or Tim Gunter mix. These are copyright free. And we'll do Mad World again. I think I've used this one before, but I like it, so. It's not really fitting for the mood, guys, but you know what? Actually, it's not fitting at all. I'm just picky like that. We're going to go and we're going to find some music because I love you guys. We're going to use the one I've used before, Discord. I know this one's actually fitting, though, so. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use this section. I like this section of the music. Awesome. And you can just fade in the music and fade it out slightly after. And you're pretty much done, guys. If you want to hear what it looks like, just here we go. Here's I'm going to render it out the whole thing real fast. If you guys are wondering the computer I have, it's in my channel description. It is an HP 500F, I believe, something like that. And it is a very nice computer for $550 on Newegg. I hope they still sell it for you guys. I love it. And I got it like 45 days ago. But here you can see it's just pre-rendering out. Obviously, you've already seen the clip. And I don't want to add that much time to an already long tutorial that'll be uploaded late. So, that should be good for now. We're just going to play it back. Alright, so as you saw, that's a very smooth, nice transition. I'm not going to show you how to add the shots. I've already done that in previous tutorials, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This has been Mike, and peace out, guys. Alright, please like, and if you want a tutorial on this little start thing, then tell me, guys. Thank you, bye.